Madam, I rise to support the railway budget presented by Shri George Fernandez for the year 1990-91. He has his association with the railways for the last 40 years as a labor leader. As a labor leader, most of his energy was concentrated in making demands on behalf of the workers of the railways. Now he has been put in a position to look after the affairs of the railways as also the well-being of the workers who are working with the railways. Since he is at the helm of affairs since he was a labor leader and his words carry weight with the workers. I hope under his stewardship the workers of the railways would perform better, would do their jobs better, and would see that the railways perform better. In this way, not only would the railways satisfy the people who travel, but also the functioning of the railways in general would improve. The Indian railways are the biggest network in the whole of Asia and the second largest in the world. Not only the Indian railways are big in size, but their problem are also big in proportion to their size and the things that the people want the Indian railways to do for them are also big. Sir, he on the 2nd February had come out with a status paper wherein he has given that current position of the Indian Railways, the problems that the Indian Railways are facing, and also the innumerable demands, including the demand for providing employment on a large scale in the railways to the unemployed. I hope that in this discussion on the railway budget, the participants would offer some constructive, useful, and practical suggestions.